Hello, my name is Carolina, and I just want to apologize right now if there's any loud noise in the background or you hear my dogs barking. I apologize, but I just wanted to talk more on the subject of what I wanted to do for my revision project. I wanted to focus on what I did for my memoir. So for my memoir, I did my bullying experience in middle school, and I wanted to kind of change the audience and speak about bullying and how it can affect a person, how we should stop bullying, and more to make bullies understand how they can affect a person at home, in general, in any type of life situation. I just wanted to address more about that. So, why I wanted to do this is because I feel like it would be something amazing to be able to talk with others and for other people to acknowledge my point of view on why I think we should stop bullying. The form I want to do it is kind of different. I wanted to see if it was okay with you if I could do kind of like an informative speech, but still with a slideshow kind of showing, for example, graphs like cyberbullying, the different effects of, like, there's cyberbullying, there's bullying in person, there's different types of bullying and the causes of it, like if I could do it in a slideshow way, and like an informative speech speaking of the negativity, the cons, the consequences it causes on both sides, what it can lead a person to do, like the different effects. I feel like change it up a little because this is something different I have not done yet in my project, so I would really like to do something like an informative speech as well, using recording my screen and showing my face because I have not done it both ways like this. So more about what I want to talk about, I kind of mentioned a little bit, like to inform people about bullying, but more about how I can help inform more people that, or more towards the audience of bullies, to help them acknowledge, like, to stop bullying, to stop picking on people. But also bullies bully people because of their experiences at home or what they are dealing with as well. So they choose to bully other people that supposedly makes them feel better. So I would like to touch a little more on that. The way I said a little while ago, how I would use it throughout my revision is it is dedicated to a certain audience about bullying. So bullying, I would like to address it in a way of politely, not like targeting, oh, you're a bully, you should stop. Like, no, like I want to inform them and show them that bullying is a bad way, and either way, if you may be going through things at home or personal issues, I feel like there's a way of being able to help yourself instead of going and picking on others. So giving the side of both the bully and the people that you are bullying, because as I said, each person is dealing with something at home. So I would like to, throughout my presentation or speech, say touch on different types of bullies and reasons why certain people may be bullies. And like I said, show throughout graphs, different like hotlines, ways to help, ways that you can find help, let's say like psychologist or counseling, or different activities that may help you get out of what's happening to you or your personal issues. And some nerves I have about this is that I might not do this correctly, or I don't know if it will be okay with you the way I am informing you of what I want to do. That's why I'm actually kind of making this video, to see if you would be okay with like me using graphs and demonstrating my point of view and talking about the differences, like something different. It's still kind of on the topic of my memoir, but just changing it to a different audience, and instead of it being a story, more of an informative presentation or speech kind of way. So I'm kind of nervous that it'll be a little off, or that I won't be able to explain myself very well, but I feel like I can if I do a little bit of research. And and I might need help with how, or not say help, or what I can actually put into my presentation that would be okay with you. Like, there's limits to certain things, just in case it is very brings back memories or something like that. So I was just making the video to see if you would, if this is a good way to, let's say, do a revision of my memoir, but in a different type of genre and different multimodal video. So thank you. I hope you like it, and I hope I can do my presentation as an informative presentation or a speech about bullying. Thank you.